Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing off our new product, which is the J-Way Bubble Tea Kit. And as you can see, we've got 4 different flavours. We've got matcha, cinnamon apple pie, taro and brown sugar flavour. These products are a perfect treat and they're really easy to make, and today I'll be showing you how you actually make them. So the one I'm going to be showing off is the cinnamon apple pie. So I'll put these to the side, and the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to open it, and you're going to grab out the 3 ingredients, which is the tapioca, the flavour kit and the straw. So the next step is you're going to want to prepare your tapioca, and you can actually do this in 2 different ways. So you can put it in a microwave, or you can put it in boiling hot water, which is what we're going to do today. So I've got boiling hot water on the hob now. I'm just going to take it off. And what you want to do is you want to get your tapioca, make sure it's still sealed, and you just want to place it inside. And then you want to put that back on the hob and let it sit for about 180 seconds. So whilst the tapioca is cooking, you then want to prepare your drink. So you're going to start off with 60 millilitres of hot water. Once you've poured your hot water in, you then want to add your milk tea powder in and pour that, and then give it a good stir. And then once you've stirred it, you want to add 200 millilitres of ice. And then you're going to want to add about 60 millilitres of water to the cup, or milk, depending on your preference. Once the 3 minutes up, you want to take your brown sugar tapioca out and then pour it into the cup. Before you add your drink in, you're going to want to give it a little bit of a shake or a stir if you don't have a shaker cup. And once it's ready, you can pour it in. Place your straw in, and it's ready to go. And remember, we do have 3 other flavours of this, which you can get online at taipec.com.